Hello, everyone. My name is Yikang. I'd like to introduce my PDF converter. This tool will take the input file path and the output file path as input. It will use NOGAT, which is the neural OCR tool to convert the PDF to Markdown. Before performing OCR, we will remove the image from the PDF. It will reduce the file complexity and decrease the likelihood of errors, especially with slides. To use this converter, just fill the input file path and output file path in API and run it. Typically, it will give you three kinds of file, which is the Markdown file, the PDF file without image, and the pickle file. However, for more complex PDFs, it will maybe give you some missing page like this. Yeah, the tool will automatically use the pick-to-text method to fill the gaps and provide the missing page extract from the original PDF for easier comparison and verification. This feature will give you that the final Markdown file is as accurate and as complete as possible. Thank you.